Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to ombre with Lecenté. First up, I'm going to use Think Pink and Inspired to ombre with the gel polish itself. I'm going to use half and half and then just blend across with the excess on my brush just to blend that line down the centre and then cure for 30 seconds. Wipe off any excess onto a lint-free wipe before you put it back in your bottle. And then for my second coat, I'm going to do it in reverse. And again, cure for 30 seconds and wipe off any excess colour from your brush before you pop it back. Nice and simple. For the second look, I'm going to use Pigment with a base of Think Pink. Then I'm going to coat with matte top coat and cure for 60 seconds in the lamp before using my mix tape and my P1 brush. Using the excess from the lid, just going to dab and press that into the matte top coat, blending up, back and forth across the nail, getting lighter with my application and feathering it up. Once you're happy, you can top coat. I'm going to use matte top coat here just for a different look on this occasion, and thoroughly cap. For a glitter ombre, I'm going to use Inspired as my base. I'm then going to use my original base coat and cure for 60 seconds just to give that extra tacky layer. Using Bloom Iridescent glitter and my G1 brush, just going to press and pat the glitter from the top of the nail, blending down the nail as we go. You can go back into your pot and apply it as many times as you like to get the colour that you require, and then thoroughly top coat with your original top coat, making sure your application is nice and smooth before you pop it in the lamp. And there you have it, 3 different ways to ombre. Which is your favourite?